Okay, so I hope you played around with dancing. Let's see, I want to move on and do some sophisticated dance. So we treated in the last dance, they're like dolls, right? Oops, they didn't do any fancy action. They kind of went around and all that, right? So now we want leg movements, hand movements, and all that, right? Only then it's a real dance, right? So before that, I'm just going to get rid of this for one person at a time type of thing. That one I don't need it. We want to do everybody together. Okay. So here is where things get kind of tricky. So now we want them to move legs, move hands, and all those things. Okay. So, but if you drag this from here to inside, you will see that you don't have any control over the part, right? Because this variable item from dancers is from here, not from here. Okay. So we have to do some strange thing. Okay. So, for example, if you take blue ballerina, she has legs and hands and all those things, right? So let's see, right leg. Okay. So let's say we want some right leg turn right, I guess. Okay, or turn forward. Turn right. Okay, turn right little bit, 0.1 revolution. Okay, so then how about hand? Left arm, turn forward. I don't know how that would turn out to be, but that's okay. So okay, there you go. Just a right thigh and left arm alone we are turning, right? So then you can play with more. So I will just leave with this too. So the only problem here is that here we did item from dancers. For each dancer we did this. Now right here we are doing for blue ballerina, right? That's not good, right? Because if we do this, let's play it now. Wow, her leg is turning and her hand is turning too. Some strange actions are happening. See? Okay, I don't know how well you are able to see. Turn is no good. Okay, so we have to get rid of this. I don't know. Sometimes change it to. There's some strange. See, they know that this type of problems occur. So now roll right. And how about this one? No. Turn forward. Okay, this also should be roll. Doesn't allow. Okay. So let's see. Right thigh, left arm, and roll right. Something. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and play again. Whoa. That's a bit too much movement. And also we should probably change the roll right and roll right. Okay. Roll left and change this to a little bit less. I think some forward may be better, I think. So delete once again. Turn forward a little bit. That's the one I believe we tried first time, didn't work very well. Okay, so you can see body parts are sometimes hard to work with. Left arm. Okay, I think that's a little bit better. Okay, so again keep this into small ones. Okay, so now you can see this blue ballerina alone doing all those things. See, that just her alone doing that, everybody else is not doing, because it says only for the ballerina, right? So there, go under functions, and something called, see, the blue ballerina and functions, and there's last one, blue ballerina part named. Okay, so I just move it here, blue ballerina part named. This is the only place we'll be typing in. Okay, so now it's not a blue ballerina, we want this this person, right? So drag item from dancers in, item from dancers in. Now we have to specify the part. I know it's kind of messy. Okay, well, what do you have to type? You have to type right thigh. Okay, then the left arm also you have to type, but you have to be careful. Left arm is inside the torso. You have to say torso dot left arm. Okay, so since there is no easy way to write the parts for this item from dancers, because it's a variable, you have to kind of use the existing object and throw it in there, and basically you have to throw in this part named function basically and put it there, then drag the item from dancers in, and then path name you have to specify the full path name type of thing, path name of the part, okay, from the tree structure. That's a lot more complicated than usual, because we are getting into complicated stuff. When you move to C, C++, Java, actually it's easier than this. So advanced stuff, it can get very complicated. Alice, let's go ahead, play. Whoa, that is a strange dancing position. Legs, can the leg go the other way around? Roll left maybe. Let's see. Okay, that's better. Maybe hands also should move. How about hands? So let me see whether I can, it will allow make a copy. Make a copy. This is a little bit picky here, so always it turns out as a none when you make copy. So just to drag it and put it there, drag it and put it there, and here left, right, and this one should be, one of them should be right. Okay, let's go ahead, play again. Whoa, 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 both in one direction. Okay, legs are going the same direction. Let's go ahead, change the direction. How about hands? That is one strange dance, isn't it? But the bottom line is we are able to work with the individual parts, and kind of, at least at times they do look like a proper dance. Okay, so hopefully you guys will come up with much better moves than me. Okay, have fun.